sleep here with mommy and daddy?
Because I'm snoring a daddy. Papa I.
He's snoring a papa like that? Like what? You tell me, how papa snore?
Yeah, dad.
Here in our bed with daddy, I want to sleep with you.
Nagsama yan pag nag-sleep.
No, I'm snoring a daddy.
Snoring a daddy like that.
Nagsama yan.
It's okay lang, daddy will not snore today. Daddy will just sleep lang silently, not snoring. So can you sleep with us?
Nagsama ikaw.
Can you sleep with us?
Go to the beach.
It's okay lang, daddy will not snore today.
Ayan.
Can you sleep with mommy and daddy, please? Just today lang.
Nagsama na lang yan.
Oh, I'll switch off na the lights so we'll
Nagsama.
sleep now, okay?
No,
Why?
because
Because what?
I'm snoring a daddy.
Snoring daw daddy like that. Why man?
Nagsama na lang yan si Jico.
Snoring ka daw kasi papa. So he doesn't like to sleep with you. Oh, come na, go na to your room. Come na.